Hey guys, today this is the Bling Life Q&A, and tell me, have you ever thought about what a little bit of extra money could do for you and your financial situation? Is it something that might be a little bit play money, or is it extra bill money, or a little bit of things to, a little bit of money to help you breathe a little bit easier at the end of the month, right? Or something about girlfriend time. Do you love girlfriend time? Do you need girlfriend time? You got a house full of boys and you need to get out of the house every now and then. Maybe make a little bit of extra money while you're doing it. Or is financial time freedom more your thing? Or you need more little time to be home with the family and maybe watch the kids grow up and do some of the extra things that, sports or extra stuff that, maybe you couldn't do before. Is it something that maybe you're all of the above? Maybe you're all of the above and you need to know how you're going to be able to learn how to do things to be able to achieve all of the above, right? Is that you? Let me know which one you are, okay? Because tonight I want to share with you guys some of the most frequently asked questions about what it takes to start a paparazzi business. And we're going to go over some of your questions that you may have. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. If you've not entered my drawing for the month, I would love for you to enter my October giveaway. And if you comment the word diva, you will give a message and you will be given instructions on how you can enter the giveaway, okay? So, cool things. If you like free jewelry, that's how you get some free jewelry. Also, if making money ain't your thing right now and you just want to kind of see what's going on and maybe you want to earn some free jewelry, hit me up because I'll do parties for you, girl. I will do Facebook parties just like this, and any of my local divas know that I will do home parties or office parties for you too. So you just let me know. But listen, at the end of this broadcast, I want you to do me a favor. If you haven't recently, or if you haven't at all, I would love for you to fill out the form that I'm getting ready to drop in the comments right now for me. That will kind of give me an idea on some of the things that you like and help me be able to be a good consultant for shopping for you. And it's going to ask you a couple questions about your styles, and it's going to ask you the two questions: would you like to earn some free jewelry? And if listening to some information about the paparazzi opportunity is something that you want to take to that next level, then you can privately put that in there too, and I will get back with you later on. Okay, I got you. So, I'm excited. So as you guys come in, please say hello down in the comments for me. I am pushing some buttons and getting this shared in all the places. So if you haven't entered the drawing, please comment the word diva below. And also, if you're a first-time viewer with me, I need you to fill this little form out for me. It's a pretty non-invasive way for me to kind of stalk you on Facebook. No, not really, but it will give me some information on what you like and what you don't like. Okay, make sense? Hi guys, come on in. So for those of you guys who don't know me, most of y'all know that I'm the jewelry lady. I am an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories. I'm in my 8th year. I'll be almost 9 years old this December. I joined in December of 2011, and I saw it as an opportunity where I could make some pretty good money because everything is $5. And quite honestly, guys, everybody's got $5. Would you agree? It's kind of a no-brainer, really. So I saw it as an opportunity. I immediately started working most of the events within, about an hour from my home, and pretty much started building my customer base. And for the local girls that know me, that's where most of us met. I don't even know if I told you my name or not. My name's Lori. Hi. If I did, y'all know it again. In case you forgot, because we get busy sometimes and we can forget our own name, right? Okay, so guys, the main 3 questions that most people ask are: what do I gotta do? How much money can I make? And what's it gonna cost? there's some other questions that are in between, and if you have anything, put it down in the comments for me. I personally would, will answer them live, and I'll get back with you through the replay, okay? So, what you got to do, and guys, this business is so simple. It is so simple. What you got to do is sell jewelry. It's as easy as that. Now, there's some things that you can do that are extra, and there's things that you will learn how to do later on, okay? But we sell jewelry. And that's pretty much the cut and dry of what we do here, okay? And we get to get cute little swag, and we get to look good on a budget, right? So many things. I'm trying to push the buttons and I don't see the buttons being pushed. Oh well, we won't worry about the buttons. So, all you gotta do, when you start showing jewelry and you start selling jewelry, you're gonna get in front of a lot of people, and you're gonna have fun, and you're gonna make a little bit of money, and we'll work together on finding out how much money you wanna make or how much you need to make this business work for you, okay? Everybody has different reasons and different things that they need and what they're looking for, okay? Be thinking of some of these things, okay? Because we'll talk later, all right? The second thing, how much do you make? Now, the jewelry is $5. Everything's $5. And we buy it at a wholesale price for $2.75. And then we turn around and we sell it for $5. We recover our own sales tax. And then we charge shipping. And generally shipping is pretty much pretty accurate on how much it costs to ship packages, okay? But you buy it at wholesale for $2.75, and then you make $2.25, and I will show you how to reinvest that $2.75 back into your business to keep fresh inventory coming in and new product all the time and make you some money, okay? Hi guys, hello, hello. So, you make almost half, okay? You make 45%, which is the $2.25, and then we also have team building commissions that you can earn when you start building your team, and that's based on levels, production, and a whole lot of effort, okay? So we'll get to that when we get to goal setting, but the last, probably most frequently asked question is, what's it going to cost? And guys, I just want to tell you that no matter what kit you get, it doesn't matter that level of success, okay? You could get the great big kit and do nothing with it. You can get the smallest kit and do everything with it, okay? So the size of the kit doesn't really matter. There are bonuses and there are perks with the larger ones, as with most things, okay? But our starter kits begin at 99 bucks, okay? And they're shipped for free. So you could start your business and build an empire and a good customer base, and I'll show you how, okay? You could do all that with less than 100 bucks of initial investment. And there's a few things that you'll want to get to kind of make things prettier and whatnot, but I'm a frugal mom. I've been in this and done this, and I believe that your business needs to pay for itself, so I don't really want my girls starting up spending a whole lot of money on things other than inventory. You want to buy inventory, you want to spend money, buy jewelry, because that will make you money, okay? So I believe in being pretty frugal and looking around your house and seeing what you got and using what you got to make your business work until your business starts paying you back and upgrading what you have, okay? And again, we'll talk about that and goal setting and things like that, but if there's something that if you want to make a little bit of extra money, like I said, it depends on how much jewelry you need to sell, okay? Depending on how much jewelry you need to sell depends on how much money you want to make. Let's say that right. And there's really no limits. So let's talk real quick about some of the benefits and some of the features of this business. first and foremost, I think the most important thing is we have a free replicated website where our customers and potential team members can go and sign up and shop. We have a free back office where we can go and monitor our business, and as you grow, they will upgrade your back office for free. There's no catalogs whatsoever, which means there's no expenses for catalogs. Okay? Think about that for a second. We don't have to worry about buying books and sales receipts and things like that. Most of our stuff is digital, okay? Even in person, of course it's not digital in person, we're not in the Matrix here, y'all. But even live sales, there's not a whole lot of paper or added expenses that you have to do other than displays and jewelry. You know, you see what I'm saying? So out-of-pocket cost is very, very limited to just your basic needs with this. There's not a whole lot extra that you need, okay? And as you start to work and build your business, and depending on what kind of events and things like that you want to work, will depend on the kind of setups and things like that you'd want to have. So if you're just going to do home parties, you just really need a way to carry your jewelry and a little setup and nothing fancy, and then you just go from there, okay? So cool thing is, we'll teach you how to do things like that. So if you love the recognition, if you love girlfriend time, if you just need to get out of the house every once in a while, you know, and be with people, I get it. We have an amazing recognition program where you can earn rewards and incentives based on your sales, based also on your team building, and then our third, other than our incentive trips and things like that, the third thing is rank advancement. Okay, so there's lots of ways for that you can, you know, increase your business, get recognized, be rewarded. Guys, if you followed me for any length of time, you know that the spoils are real. Okay, the spoils are real. Plus, we have vacations. We have a vacation every year. We have trips planned every year. You can earn these things. And the incentive trip is for everybody. Things are invitation only. So if you're the business minded and you like, you know, you like making money and you like building an empire and rank advancement, you're going to be turned on by the leadership retreats and by the numbers and the fact that you can have this system set up to help you make money for your family or yourself. Splurge money. Hey, you know, you know, my kids are grown and gone. So, you know, I don't have childcare and things like that to deal with anymore. Used to, long time ago, but you know, whoever it is that I'm speaking to that is an empty nester and wants something else to do, this is for you too, boo. Okay? Little play money, never hurt nobody. I don't know anybody who's too cashed up. So, next thing with the recognition, you have all the fun stuff, so you get recognized at our company events, plus incentives that they give you free jewelry. You know, hey, profit is good. When you give me a piece of jewelry and it didn't cost me nothing, then I make full 100% on that. Those are good things. And they give you enough jewelry, it adds up, okay? Also, time freedom, flexibility. We'll show you how to make your own schedule and find little increments of time for you to be able to work your business and build and grow. And if you have an outside job, we'll work on replacing that income with the work that you do with Paparazzi, okay? That's exciting, because if that's something that you've always wanted to do, and if you're the kind of girl that hates going to work Monday and you can't wait till Friday, listen to me. It's going to be something really, really cool. We're getting ready to start the holiday season, and to be honest with you guys, business doesn't really slow down at all. We actually might dip for a month, 1 month, and then we just kind of take off again, and then we might dip for one more month, and then we take off again. So there's not really much downtime with this company like there normally would be in most direct sales, because they generally say the J months are horrible, you know, and with us, they're not that bad. They might be lower than normal, but they're still pretty good, okay? So time flexibility, we talked about that for a second. Making your own schedule, finding the time to work around your family and your busy schedule. I got you there. I got you there, okay? Also, the girl that needs to know how to do things and loves the systems and has to have a little bit of organization, or at least organized chaos, whatever it is for you, I get it. We got you covered with the company training, and then we have team training as well. And then we have a great support system within our personal team. And then the $5 family, I mean, guys, it's really, really amazing. I've been in this business over 8 years. I love all of it. Even the times when I get mad and get frustrated and didn't reach goal, or didn't get this happen, or this person left me, or that person said something, or this is happening, or I didn't have a good sales week, or fill in the blank. I still love every bit of it. And it's so much better than anything out there working for somebody else. It truly is. You know, and that's kind of a bold statement. You know, I want to say, you know, it beats punching a clock. And that's fact. We look cute, wear cute things, and use social media, use the training that we have and offer, and not only are we making money, but we're changing lives $5 at a time, guys. And our mission statement, pretty much summed up, says, while $5 jewelry may not change the world, we believe those who wear it will. And that's pretty cool, don't you think? Because when you wear jewelry and you put on our accessories knowing you just paid a couple bucks for them, and you're walking around with your head held up high and you're feeling good and you're looking good and you got a little, you know what I'm saying? You feel good. And that vibe pulses out there to everybody else that's in your little area, and they feel good too. They may not admit it, but they do. Okay? All right, guys, if you have any questions about anything, I would love to talk to you about it. This is amazing. It really, really is. So I look forward to working with you. If you guys will fill out that little form for me, I put it right here. If you're a first-time viewer, please do that for me, please. You can also comment the word diva below, and Barbie will send you a message over and get you entered into our October giveaway. So with that, guys, I love you and can't wait to talk to you. Make sure you fill out that form and we'll be in touch. Okay? Bye, everybody.